Let's install the frame cargo basket for the Ace bike. For this job, you'll need an 8mm spanner and a 4mm Allen key. Your rack should come with bolts, washers and nuts, as well as a bracket. If you've ordered a dual suspension for your dual suspension Ace, you'll have a shorter bracket. If you don't have dual suspension and no rear suspension, you'll have a longer bracket. For the sake of this video, we're going to use the dual suspension one. First up, we're going to start by attaching the bracket to the rack here. As you can see, I've got the longest side here, and then also the bracket is going up. That'll go up and under here. So you've got your bolt here, make sure you put a washer on that side. Place the bolt through, then place a washer on the bottom side also, and then place your nut on the bottom. We're just going to leave this loose while we do the other one. We're going to leave this loose so then when we install it on the bike, we can make sure it's all lined up and then tighten it all down. Now we're going to move over to the bike here. We're going to remove these two bolts. Using the same bolts that we just removed, we're going to install the rack here and reinstall the screws. At the rear of the rack here, we have our last two screw holes. Just gonna do these up by hand to start off with. Now let's tighten the whole thing up. And that's how you install the frame cargo basket for the Ace bikes.